everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today on our 2001 Lexus GS300, I'm going to show you how to remove the third brake light, aka center light, and replace the bulbs. If you need any parts of your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. So you're going to go in your back seat and you're going to access the rear deck, and this is the cover to the third brake light. It has a plastic hook going this way underneath and two going that way. So I'm going to push forward and lift up and then pull it towards me and slide the other two out. Now there's the electrical connector. Let's see if I can access that so that way I can take the whole light out. There's a little clip right there, push in on that clip, and I have the whole light with me. Now with the third brake light itself sitting on a steady surface, get this tab here and one there. So we're going to push the tabs in and lift up on the electrical bar, the light bar. And there you'll see, expose all the bulbs. They look like 194 bulbs, and they are. So you have 5 194 bulbs. If any of them are out, you'll pull the bulb out, examine the socket, make sure there's no heated or melted wire. Looks good, it looks like the filament's gone. Then just replace the bulb with a 194. Click the bar back in. And then we can reinstall this. So now we're back here on the rear deck of the car. I'm going to grab the electrical connector, plug it in, turn my light around. You see those forks that are in the front? Put them right underneath the cardboard of the deck. Slide them forward and then bring it back towards you. And it's all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.